Hey guys, Gavin here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to bump start your dirt bike or ATV. So there's two ways to do this. The first way is have your bike shut off, pull on the clutch, shift it into second or third gear, get off of the bike, run with it, and make sure everything is on the gas and it's running. So you're going to want to run and then let go of your clutch and it should start up. And the second way is put it down into first gear and just start pushing the bike while it's in neutral, and then get on the bike, jump up, and then push it into first gear while pushing down, and then that should start it. So I'm going to show you both of those examples. Okay, so this is the example in fifth gear. I'm not doing third anymore. Okay, this is first gear. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you found this video helpful and entertaining. So leave a like if you did, and I'll see you guys in the next video.